Hi everybody, RealWatchReview.com, where we give you the most in-depth watch reviews. I have a new watch in for review. It's from Casio, from their G-Shock line. It's the model GA110B. The G-Shock model line has been around for quite some time now. Over the past couple years, they've come up with a bunch of different coloring and styling options, which have subsequently made their line quite big. So let's go over the watch itself. This is the box that it comes in, paper, nothing really fancy. On the inside you get a nice tin with all the coloring to go along with their whole line of colors. The watch itself, this is the GA110B, model number designation is 1A3, which basically just means it's green. They also have blue, and they have a full white model too. And then they have another one that's all orange, and the inside is black. Costs about $120 US, depending on where you get it. But this is one of the few models that they have that has both analog and digital readout. It's got an hour and a second, or an hour and a minute hand. No second hand. The seconds are actually shown here on the digital readout to the right. On the left-hand side, there's another dial that gives you actual speed readouts for when you're doing a lap and timing function, which is quite nice. Also has a world timer on it, so you can quickly change to different locations just by flipping through them. Very easy to use. Also it has the time and date readout, which you can switch between that or the timing function on the main dial. Really neat feature of this watch is when you hold, it's got an automatic light feature, so when you hold it at 40 degrees, as you saw right there, the light flips on. So that's really nice at night. If you're kind of fumbling around, the light will flip on if you hold it parallel to the ground at 40 degrees. So it won't flip on all the time. You kind of have to have it in the right position, but it's pretty easy to activate. So that's a function that you can set. It only sets for 6 hours and then it turns off, so you don't waste the battery on it over time. The material on this is a resin. It's kind of a shiny outside. On the inside it's more of a matte, so it doesn't stick to your skin. As you can see on the bottom here, it actually has notches for the keeper so that it doesn't move around once it's around your wrist. The buckle is a nice 2-pin design, so it's nice and sturdy, quite comfortable to wear, a bit thick, but most of the G-Shock models are quite thick, and it shouldn't be a problem because this material is actually a little bit more of a rubberized material, so it should hold up to the scratches and things like that. It'll absorb it instead of just immediately scratching. Buttons are really easy to hit. So we'll give this 2 to 3 weeks, as we always do. More pictures up online as always. If you have any specific questions, feel free to ask them in the comments of YouTube or on the website comments itself. And this is the Casio G-Shock GA110B. So, RealWatchReview.com. Thanks.